Hi friends, this is Dr. BP alias Dr. Bapuji Pulepu. See, Tamil Nadu 12th standard, first chapter application of matrices and determinants. In that one by one problem I will do. You don't worry, I don't confuse you a lot. I don't want to give a lot of deep explanation. When it is then required, while doing the problem I will do. See, actually this application of matrices means what? Solving the linear equations is very useful. That we go for the problem of time being. See, the first problem contains three subdivisions. One 2 by 2 matrix they are given. They are finding adjoint of this fellow, for this fellow, for this fellow. Three fellows are available. One by one I will do. Don't worry. See, first is what? 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix means is very easy. I will rub off again. I will take. Suppose they are asking adjoint means what? Adjoint means nothing but a transpose of some after operation. You can take some operation marks. That I will say minors you will get. I don't want to confuse you too much. First, suppose if A is a 2 by 2 matrix, A, B, C, D. This order you can remember, A, B, C, D. First row is A, B, second row is C, D. Then adjoint of A, how you will write means what? Adjoint of A. These two fellows you can interchange. A and D you can interchange. These two fellows you can give minus. So I will write D here. B, C, A. Then this minus. Got it? And over. So if 2 by 2 matrix means what? You don't remember too much of formula. These two fellows in principal diagonal elements you can interchange. Remaining two fellows you can give the minus. Job is over. Okay. Now I want to see the problem. This is, remember, are you okay or not? If A is equal to A, B, C, D means adjoint of A is what? D minus B minus C, A. Okay. Now what is our problem we see? First problem. Shall I be off getting or not? Given A is equal to what? Minus 3, 4, 6, 2. See, if A is equal to A, B, C, D means what I told, you can interchange the diagonal elements. Remaining fellows you can give minus. So these two fellows you can interchange. These two fellows you can give minus. So adjoint of A, what you will get? Change these two fellows. 2 will come here. 4, 6, minus 3. Then remaining two fellows you can give minus. Suppose if it is minus means what, it will become plus. Over. That's it. First problem is over. LKG problem. Next you go for the second problem. Clear or not? If A, B, C, D means diagonal elements you can interchange, the remaining elements you can give the minus. Job is over. Next I will go for the second problem. What is my second problem? Two, 3, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 7, 2. Second problem is what? 3 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3 matrix means what? You can find first cofactor of this all fellows. All elements cofactor you can find. Cofactor of 2, cofactor of 3, cofactor of 1, cofactor of 3, 4, 1, cofactor of 3, 7, 2. Then you can take transpose. Cofactor of A transpose is equal to adjoint of A. Getting or not? So slowly I will do. Now first this fellow is equal to A means what? I will find cofactor of A. Cofactor of A means what? This you can start with plus. First row start with plus, plus, minus, plus. Second row start with minus, plus, minus. Third row start with plus, minus, plus. Don't worry, I will tell you. Now, cofactor of 2, how you will find out? To where it stands, first column, first row, leave that fellows. To where it's standing, first row, first column, leave these fellows. So balance is what? 4, 1, 7, 2. If matrix A, B, C, D means what? Determinant of A is what? AD minus BC. Correct or not? So cofactor of 2 means what? Leave this fellow, leave this fellow. Balance is what? This 4, 1. 4, 1, 7, 2. This is again 2 by 2 matrix. Find a determinant AD minus BC. 4 into 2 is what? 8. 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7 is how much? 1. Getting or not? I will write first one. 8 minus 7. Or then cofactor of 3. 3 where is standing? This fellow standing in second column, first row. Leave this fellow, leave this fellow. Then balance is what? 3, 1, 3, 2. AD minus BC. This is what? For this fellow, what will give? Minus. Start with plus, minus, plus. So what you leave this fellow, leave this fellow. 6 minus 3. Similarly, cofactor of 1 is what? Plus. Leave this fellow, leave this fellow. 1 where it stands, you can see. 1 stands in this column, this row. Now this is what? 21 minus 12. Getting or not? This is I am finding only cofactor only. Now cofactor of this 3. This 3 is what? Leave this row, this column. This what I told, first row start with plus, second row start with minus. If you start with minus means what? Write minus. Leave this row, this column. This row is what? 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 3. Then what is balance? 3, 1, 7, 2. 3, 1, 7, 2. So 3, 2 are 6 minus 7. Correct or not? 6, 7. Minus again plus. Cofactor of 4, how you will get? Leave this column, this row. Where it stands, which that number contain which row, which column we can leave. Leave this fellow, leave this fellow. So what you will get? 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 3. Then cofactor of 1. Cofactor of 1 where it stands, third column, second row. Leave this fellow, leave this fellow. Then again is what? 2 7 is 14 minus 9. Minus plus minus 14. 14 minus 9. Come to the third co. Start with the plus, minus, again start with plus. This cofactor of 3 is what? Leave this row, this column. What will get? 3 minus 4. AD minus B. Plus, minus, plus. 3 minus 4. Then cofactor of 7 is what? Minus. Leave this column, leave this row. 2 minus 3. Then cofactor of 2 is what? Leave this column, this row. So 8 minus 9. Plus, minus, plus. 8 minus 9. Close. This is the cofactor. Now simplify. Getting or not? Then what you will get? Cofactor of A is equal to what? 8 minus 7 is 1. 6 minus 3 is 3. Already minus is there, so minus 3. 21 minus 12, 9. Then 6 minus 7 is minus. Already minus is the plus 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. 14 minus 9. 5. Already outside minus is there, so minus 1. 3 minus 4, minus 1. 2 minus 3, minus 1. Already minus is there, so plus. 8 minus 9 minus 1. This is what? Cofactor of A. Cofactor of A. Still I am not able to find this what? Adjoint of A. So for this fellow, if you take transpose, I will get adjoint of A. Getting or not? So adjoint of A, how I will write? Shall I rub off? Adjoint of A is equal to what? Cofactor of A transpose. That is equal to what? This fellow transpose you can find out. What is the meaning of transpose? If any matrix, if you take transpose, write rows as a columns, columns you can write as a rows, vice versa. So first I will write 1 minus 3, 9, 1, 1 minus 5, minus 1, 1 minus 1, transpose I will write. Then if you take transpose means what? First column I will write as a first row, 1, 1 minus 1. Second column I write as a second row, minus 3, 1, 1. Third column I write as a third row, 9, 5 minus 1. So this fellow is equal to what? Adjoint of A. I hope you understand. So 1 element. So here meaning is what? First row start with plus, second row start with minus, third row you can start with plus. Whatever may be order, you don't worry if it is 4 by 4, 5 by 5, 6 by 6. But one thing, adjoint you can able to find only for the square matrix only. Don't ask, can I find out 2 by 3 matrix adjoint? No, only square matrix only. No doubt it's square matrix. So second problem also I completed. Correct or not? Answer is correct. Okay. Then I go for the third problem. Third problem is very important problem. Good problem and solid question. These are the more marks, maybe chances 10 marks. I don't know what is your question paper pattern also. For maximum marks, maybe chances are there for this. This may be low marks. First problem, this and this you see. How I will find out. Very good problem. Shall I rub off? Third problem is what? 1 by 3, 2, 2, 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 1, minus 2, 2. See, this third problem is very important problem. See, why means what? This maybe you will get more marks also, it's maybe chances to get. See, one constant is multiply with matrix. Determinant cases, if you multiply with one particular row, any constant means what you can pull out from the constant from the row or column. But matrix is not like that. If you any constant multiply with matrix means what? Every element multiply with this fellow. There is a difference between matrices and determinants. So to find adjoint means what? One thing you can do, taking this 1 by 3 inside you can attack. So no confusion, you will get the answer. No, this division is somewhat headache for me, I don't want to do means what? There is a good formula is there, ready-made formula. You have adjoint of Ka is equal to K to the power of n minus 1 adjoint of A. K is the constant multiplying with matrix, where n is what? Order of the matrix. See, basically the adjoint and inverse you always will find out square matrix only. You don't worry. If it is rectangular means what I will do. N means what? Nth order means what? Square matrix. So here K to the power of n minus 1 and adjoint of A. This why n minus 1 also while doing the problem I will tell you, don't worry. Here who is my K? 1 by 3. Who is my n? 3 by 3 order. So 3 is n. N minus 1 means what? Square. So 1 by 3 whole square into this fellow. So adjoint of this matrix 2 2 1 minus 2 1 2 1 minus 2 2 is equal to what you will get? 1 by 3 n minus 1 3 minus 1 into adjoint of this fellow, adjoint of 2 2 1 minus 2 1 2 1 minus 2 2. Getting or not? So first you can find adjoint of this matrix, finally you can multiply by 1 by 3 square, 3 minus 1 is 2. This separately you can keep somewhere, ask him to take rest. You can take this fellow, you can ask him to take rest, let him sleep sometime. Go and sleep, you can tell. I take this first. Now adjoint of this fellow I want to find out. Adjoint of this fellow I want to find out means what? I want to do the cofactor of this. So first I will go. Getting or not? Am I confusing? So I will first find cofactors. How I will find cofactor of which fellow I want? 2 2 1 minus 2 1 2 1 minus 2 2. Now first cofactor of 2, this 2 what you will get? Leave this column, this row, what you will get actually? 2 into 2 2 AD minus BC. In formula 1 minus, already 1 minus, so minus minus plus. So what you will get? Start with plus 2 plus 4. Then this cofactor of 2, leave this, correct or not? This row, this column, the element where it stands, that row and that column you can omit to find cofactor, but you start with plus minus. Always you can remember whatever may be order. You don't get 4 by 4, maybe in future if you get also, don't worry. First row plus, second row start with minus, third row plus minus. Now this is what 2. For this 2 what I will get to? Leave this fellow. So what you will get? This is minus 2 into 2 minus 4, again minus 2. So minus 4 minus 2. Then cofactor of 1, leave this fellow. This is what? Minus into minus plus, 2 into 2 4, then minus 2 minus 1, sorry. Then what I will get? This what I will do? For 1 leave this, 2 into 2 4, 4 minus 1 3 plus 4 minus 1. Getting or not? Now for this minus, you don't worry about this minus. My formula here should start minus here. Whoever maybe, don't worry. Minus means this minus, that minus will cancel. You don't think like this. Getting or not? So you don't worry about whatever maybe, this sign should be minus only. Because of position you are getting. That is actually cofactor formula is what? Minus 1 to the power of I plus j into m of I j minor. I don't want to confuse too much. Later I will tell you. So here whatever may be symbol, this you don't worry. Here minus only. So cofactor of minus 2 what you will get? Leave this fellow. So this what you will get? 2 into 2 4, again minus plus. So getting or not? Now cofactor of 1 plus, leave this column, leave this row, again 2 into 2 4, 4 minus 1. Then cofactor of 3, leave this row, this column, what will get? 2 into minus 2 minus 4, again minus 2. Then cofactor of 1, leave this column, leave this row, then 4 minus 1. This what you will start with plus. 4 minus 1. Then cofactor of minus 2. Here, don't worry about again this minus. Whatever may be here, minus 1. Leave this, leave this. What you will get? You are leaving this, you are leaving this. So, 4 again plus 2. AD minus BC. Then cofactor of this. Leave this, leave this. This is what? 2 minus minus plus 2 plus 4. Getting or not? So, cofactor of A is equal to what? 6, 3 minus 6 was minus minus plus 4 minus 3, 1, 3, 2 minuses outside, 1 minus again plus 4 minus 1, 3, 4 plus 2 minus 6, 6. Now adjoint of A is what? This fellow transpose. You can fill, this I am leaving. So this fellow transpose means what you will get? 6 minus 6, 3. 6, 3 minus 6, 3, 6, 6. Getting or not? First I am writing as a first column, second I am writing as a second column. But still my problem is not completed. I want to get 1 by 3 into this fellow. For one without 1 by 3 now I attacked. So 1 by 3 means what? Now actual adjoint of A is what? Adjoint of question you can write 1 by 3 into this is equal to required answer is what? 1 by 3 whole square into this fellow. Who is that fellow? 6 minus 6, 3. 6, 3 minus 6, 3, 6, 6. This is the adjoint of a given matrix. Anything we can take common. Okay, 3 also you can take common. If you take 3 common means what? Other 1 by 3 you can take inside. So this 1 by 3 is balance. 2 minus 2, 1, 2, 1 minus 2, 1, 2, 2. This is the anything you found out this matrix, you see, check seeing this answer. What is the given question you can see? Question you can see, take transpose, same fellow getting or not, you see. See, always you can enjoy with the maths, otherwise waste. You can feel as one human being. You can enjoy with maths. See, what is the given question is what? Take transpose, same thing. But for that different thing is that I will tell you later. Up to now, okay. I hope you understand well. Hereafter we continue our relation through this channel. Kindly share and subscribe, comment and inform to all your friends. Bye. We meet in next video.